Welcome back to their 5-minute market update. Bitcoin has found support on the 1.272 Fibonacci extension that's drawn over here from March 2024 to August. This is our first support level that's Fib-based that we can actually go, is it going to hold from here? Right now, I don't really think it is, but this would be a very, very nice bounce zone for Bitcoin to go right back up here, at least to 90K. But the reality is that we still have an open CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange gap at about $78,000. Personally, I just want to see the gap closed, because if we see that gap closed right about here, then it's like, okay, it's done. We're good. All right, great. Let's move on. But there is a chance that we can bounce from here. The fact that the price wicked right into this 82K target is good. I didn't see this coming. I didn't think we would go this far. One other thing that I'm paying attention to is that RSI on the daily time frame made a low of 12.85 yesterday, which is massive. The reason why this is so massive is because the last couple times that this actually happened were severe sell-off events. Note right here, we saw this big sell-off starting in the middle of late July. Down here, it fell 30%, and we saw RSI go heavily oversold here to a low of 13.04, just slightly above where we are right now. Isn't that interesting? Look at this. So we got this, but our sell-off has been a long, drawn-out sell-off. It's not like this quick little, it's down 30% in a day. But again, the fact is that we're at a very opportune level as far as RSI goes. And RSI is just showing us when we're extremely oversold, which means that the opportunity to buy is really good. It doesn't mean, similar to back here in 2023, August, if we see a massive sell-off, it doesn't mean we're just going to pump up right away. We might actually be chopping for a while sideways. And what's interesting is because we're actually already seeing that happen, namely with Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been dragging a lot lower, and this TBT bearish divergence is playing out really well. Not only that, but RSI is still falling lower, and Bitcoin dominance falling should mean that we're seeing others improve, which we are. Others actually moved up a lot and increased by 3.9% yesterday. Stablecoin dominance also continues to go higher and higher, but now we have a peak on RSI, which is great. This is what I've been waiting for, and now we just kind of have to wait and see what's going to happen next with RSI. And it's not the exact number, it's 86.95, close enough. But now we're waiting to see how is the market going to react. Now, BTC told us, I've been letting you know, watch out, because when we get in this bounce zone right here, we're going to see an increase in volatility. I did not know we're going to go this far down. I just knew that there's going to be an increase in volatility. The good news is that we're almost in our rejection zone, meaning that when BTC gets up here, typically we start to see the volatility decrease and there's a little bit of peace in the market. And I think we all could use something like that. Ethereum is still massively oversold, falling more yesterday, but we see so many other coins pumping and actually pushing higher. For instance, Litecoin moved up 8% because of ETF details being shared and people getting excited about it. Aptos printed another TBT bullish divergence signal yesterday, and it's above overhead resistance. We could draw this out, and it still has a little bit of ways to go, but this is a great bullish reversal sign. TIA, Celestia, everyone hates this one because the unlocks actually printed a TBO close short yesterday. This is one I've been waiting on for a long time. We're finally starting to see some bullish momentum. Optimism also printed that TBT bullish divergence cluster over here on Tuesday. And now we're starting to see it slowly creep up to the price. And then out of nowhere, we have all these meme coins. The reality is that at the end of the day, when I was looking at everything was, rather up here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, a lot of these majors were red, but there's so many other coins that are green. And it's so strange. There is a very, very big disconnect between alts right now, low cap alts, and the majors. And I am trying to make sense of it. But in the meantime, we're going to trade it. We're just going to take advantage of what the market's giving us, because there's no guarantees that this is going to be a one and done gig. Okay. We need to make sure that we are making the most of these opportunities and buying the dip and selling on the bounce. And if you don't know what to do, if you don't know how to interact with the market, I highly suggest going over to thebettertraders.com. Link is in the description. If you don't have one of our courses, start with 15 minutes of financial freedom. It's fantastic. It includes coaching. It includes a trial of the Better Traders Club. And for all of you that just want some actionable insights, indicators, watch lists, I just shared the March watch list, and that's available in the Trader and the Pro tier. Sign up to the Better Traders Club. And until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.